The Goa government has announced plans to amend the Clinical Establishment Act to enhance the safety of medical professionals following a series of recent protests and incidents of violence against healthcare workers. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant revealed that an ordinance will be introduced by September 15 to make the act more stringent. The decision comes in response to growing concerns and public outcry over the safety of doctors, which has been heightened by the tragic case of a junior doctor in Kolkata who was raped and murdered. The case has sparked nationwide protests, including demonstrations in Goa demanding better protection for medical staff. Speaking after attending a workshop on medical professional safety organized by the Indian Medical Association, Sawant affirmed the government's commitment to amending the existing laws.
The Clinical Establishment Act, that is one, for the safety and security of the doctors. Related to our Goa Medical College even in future of the district hospitals also. What is the infrastructure required for their safety? Because there is and we can make the expert performance after the very complete performance. So teams should take the initiative and complete it. That is one. Second, administrative we have the clinical correlator the polygonal factor ordinance factor. So that before 15th of September, the ordinance was September, there okay, दूसरी गजाल, if you want to suggest any more amendment for that also, we are ready. It is a concern with the safety of the doctors. Magadista is regarding the filing of the FIR and बाकीचं procedural lapses procedural लावतो. आम्ही हे सगळे वर्कशॉपवर किंवा देशभर या इश्यूच्या बद्दल लक्ष केंद्रित केल्या जाते. जे अमानवी कृत्य ज्यांच्या कडल्यान बेंगलोरान जाले हे खंयसरूच जावचे न्ही हांवें मुद्दामून म्हणटा की हे अमानवी कृत्य. जे आमी जशें म्हणटा की क्लिनिकल एस्टाब्लिशमेंट एक्ट हाजें इम्पॉर्टन्स कशा पद्दतीन कितें हें समजून सांगलां आनी इन फ्युचर सेफ्टी आनी सेक्युरिटी ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स इन गव्हर्मेंट हॉस्पिटल आनी प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटल ही कशा पद्दतीन घेवची ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली तातूंतल्यान डिस्कस जाला आनी इन लॉंग रन हो स्टेट लेवलचो पयलो वर्कशॉप इन फ्युचर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलचेर वर्कशॉप जातले. सगळी पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटां पुलीस आउटपोस्ट पुलीस पोस्ट हे सेन्सिटायज करतले जेणे करून गोंयांत ज्या पद्दतीची बंगालान केस जाली त्या पद्दतीची गोंयांत अशी एक सुद्दां केस जावची न्ही इतके प्रिकॉशन आमचे होम डिपार्टमेंट घेतले हेजो एश्युरन्स आमी इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन हांकां दिता आनी त्या सेफ्टी आनी सेक्युरिटी ऑफ द डॉक्टर्स प्रोफेशन हांच्या खातीर सातत्यान काम करता.
Yet, this move raises critical questions. Why did it take a tragic incident to prompt the government to take decisive action? Was there a systemic failure in addressing the safety of medical professionals before public outrage forced their hand? Could earlier preventive measures have averted such violence, or are these reforms merely a reaction to recent unrest? Manish Parab and Sanika Nagvekar for Goa 365.